Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. Let's have a shadowing practice session. Okay, so here I'm going to pick up one topic and I'm going to speak on it. I'll be a little slow and I'll give you sufficient time to pause my video and repeat. Okay, so after every sentence I'll take a pause and you can also pause my video and repeat the sentence. It is a very interesting exercise if you want to practice English speaking. This will help you to start speaking in English. You'll get to know the tone, the rhythm, the intonation, how to pause, when to pause, how long the pause should be and everything else. So you'll get a clarity on how the language is spoken. So if you start shadowing with me, it will be a wonderful practice. It will help you to get started. Okay. So guys, on that note, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. Now let's get started. So shadowing practice is very important. Why it is important? Just because you will learn how to pronounce each word, how to speak each word, how to speak sentences, how to pause, the intonation, the rhythm, the tone, everything you're going to catch up or pick up by shadowing. So that is why if you are a beginner or if you want to learn to speak English in the right accent, in the right way possible, you have to practice shadowing. Okay, and today I'm taking a very simple topic and I'm going to speak on it. You can also start speaking along with me. Okay. So how you can practice? Listen to my sentence, pause it, repeat it on your own, and then you start the video and start speaking along with me. This will help you to catch up with me or to catch up with the shadowing practice. Okay, so shadowing means you have to go along with me. You have to speak along basically. But once you listen one sentence, you can just recall the sentence, pause my video, recall that sentence or register that sentence and then start again and repeat it with me. And that will be the shadowing practice. This is how shadowing practice is done. Okay, so I'll start with the topic now. The weather is changing. Winter has come. Mornings and evenings are quite chilly. The air has become cold and we feel that when we go outside. Due to the sudden dip in temperature, people are catching cold and flu. This is the right time to keep ourselves warm to avoid health issues. I've started wearing jackets and pullovers whenever I go outside, whether to drop my kid or pick her up or if I go for a walk as well. I never forget to put on a jacket or a pullover. I love drinking coffee in this weather. It feels so good to drink a hot cup of tea or coffee or a soup bowl after coming home. After my morning walk, I prefer sitting in the sun for 10 minutes. You feel warm and energetic. So this is the ritual I follow in winters. Winters are also ideal for vacations. I love going out for a vacation during winters. So guys, this is how I've spoken on the topic about weather change or winter has come. So I've spoken about this. It's very easy. I've spoken each sentence very slowly. It's short sentences. I've spoken short sentences. I've not come up with long sentences. So it's very easy. It's very comfortable. You can just pause my video, recall my sentence and then start the video and repeat with me. Okay, so you can start talking in this way. If you start talking like this, if you start following shadowing practice, you will improve on your accent, rhythm, intonation, speech, pronunciation, everything. Right? And you will be able to understand how to put forward your thoughts in simple English, in simple sentences. I have not used any complex, any long sentence. It's all very short and simple sentences. Okay, except one or two, but it's easy to remember and recall. Okay, so start practicing in this way, start shadowing, start working on this to achieve your fluency and confidence in speaking in English. Okay, apart from this, you can also follow any other YouTube video, you can follow any movie, you can follow any cartoon, you can follow anything you wish, right? Whatever you are interested in. If you like some vlogger, if you like listening to some vlogger, maybe a travel vlogger or a sports vlogger or lifestyle or any vlogger, if you follow, what you can do is you can just listen to them also and you can speak along with them, right? If it is of your interest, you will definitely be able to do it. So whatever your interest is, whatever you like, just go ahead with that. Don't think about it. Just listen to one sentence, pause, recall everything, start again and repeat with them. Okay, you can do it with any movie, any speeches people have, any celebrity talk show when people talk, celebrities talk, or any vlogger when they speak on different things. You can just pause the video, you can repeat after them, with them. Okay, so you can start practicing shadowing with whatever video, whatever thing you wish to. It completely depends on your wish. But you have to just remember the process, how it works. So you have to listen to one sentence, pause it, recall it, and then speak along with that person. That is the only thing you have to do. This is an exercise which will help you in your speech, basically. Okay, if you have MTI, if you have pronunciation problems or any other, you can just correct it by this. Okay, it's very effective and very easy to practice. Okay. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.